Now pull request is created. I will give this pull request to whom? Again to whom? I will give this pull request to whom? Again my lead. Now he will do merge pull request, right? Now he will do merge pull request. He will give some message and just he will review and confirm merge. Now try to observe. Merge is done. Now come here to demo project. In main also we are able to see na. In main also we are able to see, right? This config.properties, right? In feature also we are able to see, right? In feature also we are able to see, right? Hope you are good. Okay? Are you understanding what I am trying to say? Hmm? No. Observe. Observe carefully. So this is how branches work and how you can work on merge. Okay? Now. Okay, now try to observe. So one project will have one GitHub repository. One GitHub repository. I will use one shortcut repo. Okay? In one repo, in one repo, in one repo, we can create multiple branch. We can create multiple branch. Okay? Branches are used. Branches are used to maintain. Branches are used to maintain. Branches are used to maintain multiple code base. Multiple code base. Okay? Using of the branch, using of branch, using of branch, using of branch, team members can do work parallelly. For example, we are 20 people in this call, right? In a one team, 20 people are there. So they can create 10 people are working on some assignment. What they will do, they will create their own branch. They will create their own branch, right? They will create their own branch. They will create their own branch. How to create the branch, you know, right? Just give the name here, something, some name you are giving, then branch will be created. Okay? Then you can clone that branch, you can work, you can clone that project, right? Guys, tell me, you are able to create the file. Tell me, refresh this. Everything is coming here now. Everything is coming here now, billing, everything. Now your duty is to clone this project into Eclipse now. How you will do that? Copy this. Now tell me guys, I am showing you one more time. Observe carefully. File, import. For example, import some project, existing my own project. Next, paste that, hit 24 Maven na. Finish this. Finish this. Try to observe. Try to observe now. Ignore this part. Where is our project coming? It is coming importing downside. Downside, right? 76. Observe here. It is doing something in bottom. See this. Okay, now try to observe. Try to observe. See, billing.java is there, right? Forget about project structure. Forget about project structure. Forget about project structure. For now, billing.java file is there. Config.property is there. Let me add some content inside this file. I am giving some content inside that file. I open what? Baba, come here. That is not coming. No worry. Help, Windows, perspective, reset perspective, reset perspective. Now observe, I open that config.property. I am doing some changes. Now observe, guys. I am doing some changes. I am giving some key equals to value. Let's say you can add some data, right? Now I have changed. Now observe. Come here inside this project. I have done some changes in config.property. Okay? Now git status. See what is showing. What is showing? What is showing? Modified. I modified some file now. I modified some file. I modified some file. Right? Are you getting now how to work on the code? You have to clone this project in your STS. Then you have to open that file. You are adding some data. 1 line, 1,000 line, 10,000 line, no problem. Then when you are doing changes, when you are doing git bash here also, you are able to understand some modification is done. Some modification is done, right? I can do the changes restore also. How I can do revert the changes? Git restore. Git restore. What is the file name? Config dot properties. If I am doing this, changes are reverted. Changes are reverted. Come in here, STS. See, already deleted, na? Already deleted, right? Did I delete it? No. Let me do again. Control Z. Key equal to value. Save this. I am keeping my cursor here. I am not doing anything. Now again do git status. Modified. I want to revert the changes. This is also one way. Git restore. The moment I will hit here and I will do git status, right? Nothing modified. See, already automatically deleted, right? So you have to clone the project. You have to do this configuration file, Helm file, Jenkins files, right? Docker file. Those files you are working, Java file. So you are importing the project, you are adding the file. Then either you can do changes from here or either from git bash. So one by one step I am showing you. Hope you are good. Did you understand how to work with branches? What is mean by branches? Somebody was asking in very first day, right? What is branches? This is main. Now you understand how to create the branches, right? Now you understand how to the this feature is to coming behind the main. No problem. We will understand in upcoming session how to get pull. What is git rebase? What is git merge? Everything we are going to see one by one, one by one. Okay. Hope you are understanding now. Till this, you are having any difficulties, guys? Let me know. You have any difficulty? You understand, right? What is git branch? So there may be n number of branch will be there, right? There will be n number of branches there. Okay. Now, who will create git repo? Git repository will be created by admin, not you and me. Created by admin. Admin will do all the main basic operation. He will create the repository, everything, and he will give some repository access, read, write permission to team member, not admin access. Otherwise, admin access will delete everything by mistake if he is not knowledgeable person. Right? So any team member will get necessary action, whatever required, necessary action, access like read, write from admin. Okay? Now, there may be how many type of repository will be there? Let's say main is there. Okay? Then develop main will be there. Then develop branch will be there. Develop branch will be there. Then QA branch will be there. Then features branches we are creating for each task. There may be research branch will be there. In maybe there. Not I'm not saying release branch will be there, right? No. So this kind of branches will be there, and based on that, we want from feature branch we are working now. we are moving code from feature branch to where main branch. Till now we have did this kind of activity. Okay. Now, so this is what the activity we did is nothing but branch merging. What we did just now, we did branch merging. We did what? Branch merging. The process of the process of the process of merging, the process of merging one branch, merging one branch into another branch is called as branch merging. Is called as branch merging. Understand na? No problem, right? Okay. So what we will do? We will create pull request. What we will do for this? We will create a pull request. Pull request. In GitHub, we are called something PR. In GitLab, we are called MR. Merge request. Some people are calling pull request. So don't get confused. Okay. How we did, we already seen practically each and everything. Okay. You understand this point. Okay. Do practical. Then only you will able to do that. Otherwise, these are very easy topic, but some we are humans now, we can able to forget also, right? What is the steps we have followed? What is the step? Create a feature branch, feature branch, create a feature branch from main branch. This is first step. What is our next step? Clone feature branch, clone feature branch, clone feature branch. What is our next step then? Create a new file, create a new file, create a new file in feature branch. Okay? Then commit and push to feature branch. Commit to feature branch, right? Okay? Then commit to feature branch. Then what is the final step? Go to go to central repository. Go to central repository, that is GitHub. Okay? Then then create an create an pull request. Create an pull request and merge the branch. But you understand, right? You are not supposed to directly merge. Otherwise, that will not good. You have to ask first time. Your lead is saying, no, no, you can do it. Then you should ask, please review my code. Then I am able to merge this. Okay? After our task is done, main, okay? After our task is done, then we can delete that old branch also, but that we'll see later. Okay? That we will see later. Till now you are good, right? Till now you are good. What we learned today? What we learned today? Branches. Branches we have learned today. How to create the branch. How to create the branch we have seen. Okay. Then how to do the merging that we have seen. Tomorrow we will see git ignore. Tomorrow we will see git ignore. What is the importance of git ignore? Then git merge command and git rebase command. Very important. There is a interview question on that because that is a confusing step. Okay. That we will see tomorrow. I'm stopping my screen share. I'm stopping my recording.